This is a sample video to talk about some little corrections that I'm seeing come up occasionally on some people's assignments. So here's that for loop sample that I did earlier in a video. And you can see the syntax for a for loop. It's pretty much the same. It has three different parts to it. All right, it starts with the word for, but then it has the initialization. And the initialization is for this variable called an iterator. This is the variable that will change each time the loop goes around. And so I have int I equals 1. So I is declared inside the loop, so it's only for this loop, and it is set to 1. All right, and then the next thing is we have the condition, and this condition is as long as this is true, it will keep counting. And then you have to have the increment at the end. And what I'm seeing people do is I'm seeing people do this, where they declare int I, and then inside the loop they just say I equals 1. Now, nothing wrong with this, but it kind of gets in the way, because now I can't use I over and over again. All right, I is now local to the entire main method, so I can only have one I. All right, but if I put that int I inside my loop like this, now it's only local to the one portion of this loop. All right, so I can use the same I. Notice down here I have int I again. All right, and I is just a traditional iterator variable that we use. Okay, the second thing I'm seeing is that I'm seeing some people incrementing their method or incrementing their loop, and they're doing it actually inside the loop manually. All right, and so here I'm going to put my semicolon in, and they're doing this. And once again, nothing wrong with that, but it's kind of redundant. It really belongs up in the for loop. All right, just put it right here at the end, because once again, there are three parts. We have the initialization, we have the condition, and then finally we have the iteration. Let me get rid of that semicolon right there. There you go. All right, so that should help you out. Also, for those of you doing the reversal, all right, down here at the bottom of my for loop sample that I made for you earlier, this should have been a big hint on how to do the problem. You can see my loop here starts at 0 and goes to the end, and it goes one at a time. Then I'm printing the character at, so I'm printing out the K, the E, the N, the T. Well, to do it in reverse, instead of starting with the first letter, start with the last letter, which is the length minus 1. And then instead of incrementing, decrement, go minus minus. All right. Okay, if you have questions, you can email me, turn in the assignments. By the way, when you turn in the assignment, that counts as your contact for the week, and you'll get attendance. You send in one assignment, you get attendance for the whole week. All right, we'll see you. Bye.